Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Linkvertise 1-hour wait. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You might be looking for a way to bypass the Linkvertise 60-minute timer, and there are actually a few things you can try. When you attempt to download something or access a link through Linkvertise, the site may sometimes force you to wait 60 minutes before you can continue. The first thing you should do is simply open the link you're trying to access. Once you click it, at this point you should see a button that says Skip Waiting Time, which may allow you to bypass the delay instantly. If that doesn't work, there's another option you can try. Go to the Extensions menu at the top right of your browser and click Manage Extensions. Then visit the Chrome Web Store and install a VPN extension. You can search for any free VPN. There are many available. For example, the one used here was Free VPN for Chrome, VPN Proxy. Once you install it, you'll notice a shield icon at the top right. Open the extension, press the Turn On button, and your connection will switch to a different location. This change of region can sometimes trick Linkvertise and help bypass or shorten the waiting time. Just keep in mind that this method may or may not work depending on your situation. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix the Linkvertise 1-hour wait. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.